Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. My distinguished guests, especially Mr. Gary Hasley, Deputy Mayor of Darwin, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Ibu Bapak yang saya hormati. First of all, I should like to thank you all for all your support today, for being with us and spend some of your help for supporting our national fellow in Indonesia, in Lombok especially, for having devastating disasters in Lombok just maybe the last week of today. And this event was actually initiated by the whole Indonesian communities. We are gathering all in one, and then of course this would be a bigger event because of the support of the Darwiners, I mean the Territorians, and also companies that also have the same concern about our fellows in Lombok. So this even makes my belief stronger that Indonesians, especially in the eastern part of Indonesia, and Territorians, it's not enough if we say are friends. We are family actually, because you all are here showing that we have the same concern, have the same care about our nations. And I believe during the last Marcus, some Indonesians, of course, also involved in taking care of the environment in Darwin as a part of the community of the Territorial. So, my special thanks, of course, for all Indonesian associations, community associations in Darwin, the AIBC, the Australia-Indonesia Business Council, and the government of Darwin, City of Darwin, the government of Northern Territory, and of course to all of you Australian Darwin-based or Northern Territory-based companies and people. Once again, I thank you for your support, and hopefully today's donations collection will be transferred to the people that needs sometimes this week, yeah, maybe later this week, and we will send someone to go directly there to deliver all the donations that we have today. Once again, enjoy your day, and thank you very much for your support for this Lombok disaster. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum.